Welcome to the Science of Healing. In this documentary, we will explore the fascinating world of biomedical research and regenerative medicine. From groundbreaking lab discoveries to innovative treatments changing lives, this journey will illuminate extraordinary advancements in science. We'll delve into the captivating field of regenerative medicine, where cutting edge techniques aim to repair or replace damaged tissues and organs. You'll witness how relentless research and pioneering efforts are shaping the future of healthcare. Our goal is to educate and inspire you with the latest developments, challenges, and triumphs in biomedical science. You'll meet dedicated scientists and passionate doctors driving these remarkable breakthroughs. Together, we will uncover the profound impact of their work on patients and the promise it holds for future generations. So, sit back and prepare to be inspired by the incredible journey of healing. As we move forward, you'll see the historical context of biomedical research, where it all began and how far we've come. Stay tuned to discover the roots and evolution of this transformative science. Biomedical research has a rich history, marked by groundbreaking discoveries and pioneering scientists. From early medical experimentation to monumental breakthroughs that shaped modern medicine, every step forward was built on the efforts of brilliant minds. In this segment, we'll journey through time, exploring the remarkable achievements that laid the foundation for today's advancements. Key historical figures like Hippocrates, the father of medicine, and innovations like Antony van Leeuwenhoek's microscope revolutionized our understanding of the human body and disease. Milestones such as Alexander Fleming's discovery of penicillin and Jonas Salk's polio vaccine have saved countless lives and opened new frontiers in medicine. Understanding these roots gives us a deep appreciation for the evolution of biomedical research and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that drives this field. As we move forward, you'll see how these early triumphs set the stage for today's exciting advancements. Regenerative medicine is an emerging field dedicated to repairing or replacing damaged tissues and organs, offering new hope for healing. It seeks to harness the body's own regenerative capabilities, turning groundbreaking science into life-changing therapies. Early experiments laid the foundation, with pioneering researchers uncovering the secrets of stem cells and cellular regeneration. These initial breakthroughs paved the way for modern techniques such as tissue engineering and gene editing, which hold immense potential to transform patient care. By understanding these key concepts and innovative approaches, we can appreciate the profound impact regenerative medicine can have on individuals with debilitating conditions. As we delve deeper, we'll explore pivotal experiments and the brilliant minds driving these advancements. Next, we'll uncover current advancements in biomedical research, shedding light on how these breakthroughs are shaping the future of healthcare. Today, biomedical research is advancing at an unprecedented pace, leading to innovative treatments and technologies. Recent breakthroughs are transforming the way we approach patient care, opening the door to more effective and personalized therapies. Cutting-edge technologies such as gene editing, stem cell applications, and 3D printed organs are tangible realities in today's medical landscape. These advancements are revolutionizing the field and offering real hope to patients globally. In hearing these stories of progress, we witness the incredible impact of biomedical research on everyday lives. From curing previously untreatable diseases to enhancing quality of life, strides made in laboratories are rapidly translating into medical miracles. As we delve deeper, you'll discover how these innovations are shaping the future of healthcare. Next, we will explore the challenges researchers face and how they are working to overcome these obstacles, pushing the boundaries of medical possibilities. Despite remarkable strides in biomedical research, challenges abound. Researchers grapple with myriad ethical considerations, striving to balance scientific progress with moral responsibilities. Technical challenges are constant, from the complexities of genetic engineering to the precision needed in clinical trials. Funding and resource limitations further complicate the landscape, often slowing the pace of innovation. These obstacles have not deterred the dedicated scientists who push the boundaries of what's possible. Their relentless pursuit of knowledge shapes the future of medicine and healing. As we move forward, you'll see how these pioneers are forging ahead, overcoming hurdles with ingenuity and resilience. In the realm of regenerative medicine, we stand at the forefront of extraordinary breakthroughs. Stem cell research is revolutionizing our ability to regenerate damaged tissues and organs. Scientists are now engineering tissues that can potentially replace damaged body parts, offering a new lease on life for many. These advancements are finding their way into clinical settings, transforming patient care in unprecedented ways. From repairing heart tissue after a heart attack to regenerating nerve fibers for spinal cord injuries, the applications are vast and ever expanding. As we delve into these innovations, we uncover a fascinating landscape filled with promise and potential. The strides in stem cell research and tissue engineering are paving the way for a future where healing is a reality. Next, you'll see how these advancements are shaping the future of medicine, pushing the boundaries of what we once believed possible. In the heart of biomedical research, we meet the experts leading the charge. Through their personal stories and shared experiences, we get a glimpse into the world of groundbreaking discoveries and innovations. These researchers are not just scientists, they are passionate visionaries, driven by a commitment to advance human health. They share the triumphs and challenges they encounter daily, shedding light on the intricate processes that contribute to life-saving treatments. As they open up about their journeys, they offer a promising outlook for the future, envisioning a world where today's limitations become tomorrow's breakthroughs. Their insights remind us of the relentless pursuit of knowledge that defines scientific progress. The stories in this segment underscore the dedication and inspiration propelling biomedical research forward. Next, you'll witness the remarkable impact of their pioneering work and the transformative possibilities ahead in regenerative medicine. Stay with us as we explore these revolutionary advancements. In this segment, we dive into regenerative medicine through the eyes of those leading the charge. Our interviews reveal the passion and dedication of specialists rewriting the rules of healing. Hear inspiring success stories that illustrate the life-changing impact of their work. Each specialist shares not just their knowledge, but their hopes for a future where regenerative medicine can repair what was once irreparable. They discuss how their groundbreaking work is redefining patient care and promise that the best is yet to come. Moving forward, you'll see the culmination of past efforts and the exciting prospects ahead, driving us toward a new era in medicine. Get ready to envision a future where the boundaries of healing are constantly expanding, thanks to relentless innovation in regenerative medicine. The future of biomedical research holds immense promise, with emerging technologies poised to revolutionize healthcare. Imagine a world where diagnostics are as simple as wearing a watch that monitors your vital signs in real time. We are on the cusp of breakthroughs that could eradicate diseases once considered incurable. Quantum computing, CRISPR gene editing, and nanotechnology are just a few innovations in the pipeline, each with the potential to drastically change medical paradigms. These advancements will not only improve patient outcomes, but also lower healthcare costs globally. As these technologies become more accessible, the long-term impact on human health will be profound. The journey ahead is filled with challenges, but with each step, we're moving closer to a future where science and medicine offer once unthinkable solutions. Next, you'll see how regenerative medicine is set to transform healthcare further, promising cures for conditions that had no cure. Stay tuned as we explore this pioneering frontier. As we venture into the future of regenerative medicine, we stand on the cusp of remarkable breakthroughs. Next-generation therapies are being developed with the potential to cure conditions once deemed untreatable. Imagine a world where damaged tissues and organs can be fully restored, where chronic illnesses become a thing of the past. The vision for the future is not just ambitious, it's inspiring. Researchers are pushing boundaries, exploring possibilities once confined to science fiction. The integration of stem cell research, tissue engineering, and groundbreaking clinical applications promises to transform healthcare. We are witnessing not just the evolution of medicine, but the dawn of a new era in healing. Patients and their families can look forward to treatments offering genuine hope and tangible results. This segment reflects our commitment to educating you about these incredible advancements. Stay with us as we explore the possibilities regenerative medicine holds. Moving forward, we delve into the concluding segment, tying together these insights and highlighting how you can contribute to this transformative journey. As we conclude our journey into biomedical research and regenerative medicine, let's reflect on the extraordinary advancements we've explored. From pioneering discoveries to cutting edge innovations, the field brims with potential. Innovation thrives on support. Every breakthrough owes its existence to countless hours of research and the dedication of brilliant minds. Your support can drive this momentum forward, enabling researchers to continue their vital work. Imagine a world where incurable diseases are a thing of the past, where regenerative medicine heals our bodies, and future generations live healthier lives. This vision can only become reality through collective effort and continued investment in scientific research. As you turn off this documentary, remember that you hold the power to make a difference. Get involved, spread the word, and become part of this journey towards a healthier world. The future of healing lies within our reach. Together, let's support it. Thank you for watching and supporting biomedical research and regenerative medicine.